Today we have an interesting exponential equation on the board. Our goal is to find the value of x in x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 5 equals to 100. Let me show you how to handle the question. We are given x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 5 equals to 100. The first step is that let x raised to the power of 5 equals to a letter. You can choose any letter. So I'm going to say let x raised to the power of 5 equals to p. Are you following? So I'm going to have x raised to the power of p, because x raised to the power of 5 is now p. I'm going to have x raised to the power of p equals to 100. Okay, the next step is that I'm going to raise the exponent of both sides to 5. Are you getting it? So we're going to have this raised to the power of 5 and also this raised to the power of 5. Okay, so we are going to have x raised to the power of 5p equals to 100 raised to the power of 5. Are you getting it? Okay, when you get to this point, this is what you are going to do. Do you know that if you have a raised to the power of b multiplied by c, this can be written as a raised to the power of c raised to the power of b. That means that since I have x raised to the power of 5p, this can be written as x raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of p. Do you understand? I'm going to apply that law. I'm going to apply it to the left-hand side of this equation. So we are going to have x raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of p equals to, now do not forget that 100 can be written as 10 multiplied by 10. So I'm going to have 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 5, right? Now, I'm still going to have this. X raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of p equals to 10 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 5. We're going to apply this law. We're going to reverse this. Are you getting it? Such that we're going to take the product of this exponent and this exponent. So I'm going to apply it at the right hand side of the equation. So we're going to have x raised to the power of 5. Now recall that p is what? X raised to the power of 5. So I'm going to have raised to the power of x raised to the power of 5 equals to 10 raised to the power of 5 times 2, that is 10. So you can see that we have the same base and the same exponent. And if you look at the right hand side, the base and the exponent are the same. So we can say x raised to the power of 5 equals to 10. How will you get the value of 10? You just have to take the fifth root of both sides of the equation. So I'm going to have x equals to the fifth root of 10. And this is the final answer. You can see that the question is simple. The reason why I go through this long process is because I'm teaching it. If I'm doing this in exam, I won't be showing all this. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much. If you have any question as touching this, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next class.